You're live.
Hello, YouTube. YouTube always just kind of they're faithful and strong. So even regardless if Facebook goes off, YouTube always gets us. So we're here with Dietrich and Erica, and we'll introduce in just a moment. Fixing to go live on Facebook. Happy Friday, Facebook and YouTube. Welcome to Disclosure Live with Brandy Austin Law. I'm Heather, and I have a couple new faces with me today. Today I have Erica Wheeler and Dietrich Odom. It is January 25th, 2019. On today's episode, we will discuss a few, usually we have news stories, but we're just going to kind of give our national day. But today we're going to discuss estate planning and why it's important. But first we'll cover what our national day is. Today is National Irish Coffee Day, which basically anybody knows that Irish coffee is made, it's usually a strong coffee, basically with whiskey, sugar, and topped with a rich layer of cream, and it is recognized on January 25th. So today we're gonna kind of let y'all jump in and introduce us a couple new faces. We have some new attorneys with us. We have Dietrich Odom, and then Dietrich is basically practicing the estate planning, elder, probate, and estates, as well as assistance in civil, criminal, and family law for the firm. So Dietrich, welcome to the firm. Would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself today?
Sure. Hello, first of all, my name is Dietrich Odom, and I'm originally from West Texas and moved here recently with my family, and I'm glad to be here.
There you go. And so basically another new face with the firm. This is Erica. She's not so new, but new to Facebook. Erica is one of our family law attorneys. She actually does assist as far as with estate planning and probate. But currently she is heading our lovely family law department. So would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hi, I'm Erica. I have been in the area since 2001, been in Arlington since 2006 when I got married and moved down here. And I'm just really excited to be here at Brandy Austin Law now.
There you go. Which I'm sure anybody, any of our followers and stuff, well, we definitely will kind of dive more in depth to a little bit about what they do. But I always say definitely kind of pop in and say hello and meet the attorneys. And as for the clients, usually you have seen a face of the attorney, but now here they are in prison. So we're just going to go ahead and kind of jump into today's topic, and basically it's estate planning. So Erica, why is it important to do estate planning?
So estate planning is really important because that's how you get to have a say in what happens to your property and your money after you pass away. Otherwise, you leave it up to your friends or family, and they get to fight over it, and it can become a thing. It's also how we can just make life easier for those you leave behind by having it all designated and laid out so they don't have those struggles.
That's excellent. And you know, there are several different types of estate plans. Anybody knows that, you know, that our followers, we do several different types. And we have done several, basically with Facebook and different things on those different topics. So I'm always saying you can contact us for specifics. But Dietrich, basically, when should someone seek an attorney, I guess you could say, to set up an estate plan?
Really, anyone who I believe is an adult that has any sort of assets, or especially children, should consider doing some kind of estate planning at that point, just to make it easier, as Eric had said, if something were to happen.
I usually always say if you have a bank account, a car, a house, and yes, kids, it's time. You know, to kind of get in there, basically. So, Erica, would you kind of advise as to getting your family involved when it comes to your estate plan?
So I would think, maybe you have other ideas, I would think that if you're gonna designate somebody to be your executor, maybe let them know. And if you, once you have documents set up, whether it's a will or a trust or whatever, tell your friends and family where they can find it. So it's going to be in my safe, or it's in the safe deposit box, or it's under my mattress. I don't care where it is, but tell somebody where it is so that if you do pass, they can find it and won't have to struggle or wonder. And you can consult friends and family or family, but you don't have to tell them what you decide and put in your will. You don't have to tell them any specifics. Like, don't start fights early on. just tell them you got it, and they can figure it out after you're gone.
And they do, kind of doing some of the consults and stuff, especially for our firm, wide variety, and that's usually before, the older generations, they always kind of kept it quiet. They didn't want anybody to really know, and then this generation, I'm actually kind of seeing that the children actually be more involved, which is kind of a good thing, because it does alleviate possibility of arguments and stuff later, but basically, I've come to learn that there's not really a rhyme or reason. It's kind of, if it's for your family, then yes, we're willing to do the consults, but if not, we can still keep it quiet, basically.
Well, and in my family, my sister and I talked about what we wanted my dad to do, and we told him what he should do, which is do what you want, and whatever comes to us, we're just gonna split it 50-50, and
Yeah.
we'll figure it out. So put that on paper, and we're good to go.
There you go.
He was worried about making it his generation, want to make it all fair,
Uh-huh.
and get everybody happy. I'm like, you're not gonna make everybody happy.
No, never.
So we'll sort it out, we're fine, we're still gonna be family, and just go nice and even,
There you go.
so.
One of the other questions, kind of the family law, kind of added that in a little bit, dealing with the estate plan is basically, Dietrich, if someone was to get remarried, say they went ahead and had an estate plan and they went to go and get remarried, how difficult is it to, change up their estate plan?
Well, in short, it's really not difficult at all to change it. And that's certainly something you'd want to do if you got remarried, is to look into your estate plan and revise it.
Okay, and with it, because one of the biggest things too, we've seen several different, I say the litigation side, the probate litigation side, is if you don't update it, there's kind of repercussions, but I always say blended families, when you've kind of went and got married and then have children with that person, say your current wife that you don't have children, because a lot of elderly are actually remarrying, not so much for financial aspect, but just for companionship. And that's where I see a lot of conflict, because the children still want to make sure that they're taken care of versus with a new, wife or husband or what have you financially. So, it's literally just drafting of documents, but it's better to be safe than sorry, I always say. Do you have the cards? Basically, as you know, that other side? Where? Oh, okay. Sorry. As you know prior, we have discussed alternatives to avoid basically having family discord, and either including your family within estate plans. Our firm does provide estate plans that include, of course, wills, trust, varieties of different types of trust, but even assist basically avoiding the entire probate process altogether. So we do offer free consultations to kind of discuss your personalized estate plan and kind of what is the best route and or estate plan for you. Basically, that's all that we do have for today regarding estate plans. We're so glad that everybody YouTube that you joined us, and regarding Disclosure Live with Brandy Austin Law. Currently we are having some promotions. We basically are having these two promotions, and you can always kind of definitely get up on our website. Our website, and anybody that follows me on there, I always kind of share everything as well. Hunter over there guiding me. Thank you for that, sir. So we do have our promotions, and you can easily find them on our Facebook page, our Google pages. These particular ones do expire March 31st. So basically, if you know 10%, if you know anybody over the age of 65 that would like assistance with estate planning, and then of course we are firm believers and supporters within our veterans, so we have this discount as well. So contact us for your free consultation. Please enjoy your weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can always leave us comments or questions, and we definitely strive to get back and answer those responses. So we will see you in 2 weeks, and I am Heather Jameson, and I am with
Dietrich Odom.
And Erica Wheeler.
Happy Friday, and thank you for watching. Bye, YouTube.